Hurry up, duck. Turn here. I have here a Tesla Model 3. As you can see, it's a 21. Price range start from 42 to 60,000. The model I have is the long range, starting at 46,000. As you can see, it's a dual motor, which means it's an all-wheel drive. Here, we've got the 18-inch wheels, and you can have the 19-inch if you choose, but I went with the 18. So it's got a really, really sleek design. As you can see, it's got a glass roof, which is good when you're inside, because you can see straight up, it's letting a lot of light in. And then here, it's got handles that are really, really sleek as well. Because they're inset, it just shows how sleek the car is. It's actually made for complete aerodynamics towards traveling faster. Headlights, they're beautifully shaped, as you can see, and very sleek, and goes with the design. We've got, obviously, the Tesla badge. Windscreen. It is an automatic windscreen as well, with sensors in it for rain and any other weather. Wing mirrors, automatic. They come in and out, unlocking and unlocking. The thing about the Tesla is that it's got its own security system. It's got cameras here in the actual pillars, here, on the back, and that's for the reversing camera that can be seen on the inside screen. Here is the back camera, and to be honest, it's not that bad. You can see from here, and you can see from here. All these cameras are connected to the inside screen, so you can actually see where you're going on the inside screen, so you can see the sides and everything of the car to make sure that you're within the lines. The side cameras will help you to see your blind spot. So everything's connected on the inside, on the actual screen. So while you're driving, you can see all around the car, including the sides. That helps you to stay within the lines of the actual road. It's a long range model, and the estimated mileage is 360 miles. And it depends how you use it. Its top speed is 146 miles per hour. It accelerates 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds, which is very fast. You can get into the Tesla with this or this. It has an app that's actually given to you. So it's connected to your car. You can keep this with you and on you if you want, but you have everything on your actual app. So you can unlock the car, lock the car, so you can open the trunk or the frunk. So you can open the frunk by hand, and you have to close it by hand as it's not automatic, so be gentle. You can open your trunk, which is automatic, and you can close your trunk, which is also automatic. The features with the Tesla app don't just stop there. I'll make a video detailing everything soon. The trunk's capacity is roughly at 500 litres, okay? Just doesn't finish there. You can open this lid and check it out. Comes as standard universal charger, so you can charge anywhere. A 3-pin plug charger with the Tesla logo. Your mud flaps. And a Tesla first aid kit. You can use this for storage as well. It doesn't have to be for all the Tesla goodies. So that's enough about the outside. So let's go inside and have a look. So we're inside the Tesla. Here you can see a really big screen. This comes with a 15-inch high-resolution touch display. Steering wheel, and nothing there. Because guess what? There's a lot we're going to discover about this Tesla. So inside the actual Tesla, you've got this wooden effect going on here, which gives it a bit of character, I think. Everything's nice and soft. Quite a luxurious material, so it's quite soft. You can see all here. The console as well, it's pretty sturdy. You've got 2 wireless chargers, and then you've got cup holders here. It's got a decent sized door bin, and a decent sized cup holder. And to be honest, the cup holder's a bit loose. And here, you've got plenty of storage. You think the storage just ends there? Guess what? It doesn't. Got plenty of storage in here. And it goes quite deep down. Not only does the Tesla have quite a bit of storage space, but it's got a heated steering wheel for those cold days, including 5 heated seats that are all controlled by this. So I'm in the back now. Got the panoramic roof here, so you can see out. Got plenty of leg room. The driver's seat is all the way back as well, so as you can see, quite a bit of leg room. We haven't got the pillar here at all, so you can easily get 3 people in. Headroom, quite a bit of headroom, and I ain't short, so I know that this is quite a spacious car. So Tesla have provided an armrest with 2 cup holders. We've got 2 vents here, so they get the aircon, all the heaters, 2 USBs at the front and 2 USBs at the back, which are all Type-C. For your quick features, just press on the car icon. You've got the exterior lights, your side mirrors, your steering wheel, your window lock, and your glove box, which is only controlled from here. So the glove box, you open it from here, but then you have to close it manually. Tesla, what are you doing? It's got tons of features, but I'll make a separate detailed video about all the informatics system. Enough talking for now, let's see how it drives. I'm going to rest my other foot here because I'm not going to need it. Here, I'm going to use my right foot, I'm going to press on the brake, I'm going to put it into drive, and here we go. So today's a lovely day, it's nice and sunny. We're just going to carry on and just drive here. Oh, here we go. Someone's cut me up and you just want to beep, but I just can't beep. So I'm going to just carry on and just ignore the fact that she's just cut me up. It's a smooth drive. It's minimal effort because it's an automatic. What the car does do is actually brake for you as well. So you're braking, it's braking, but what it does is it slows the car down as you're driving. So we're just going to go around this bend here. You can see I'm within the lines, and the car will alert me on the car in front and any cars to any sides or any hazards. It does follow the speed limit as well. It does tell you what your speed is, and here the car has stopped. We're just in traffic lights at the moment, so here you can see where it's actually telling me the turnings as well, which way the roads will go, so it can either go this way, that way, and this is without me having a sat nav on, and you can see the traffic lights. So the car is basically picking up at a 360-degree angle everything. So the car is fully conscious. It picks up everything. So as I'm driving, I can see through the side and the wing mirrors, okay? But if you really want to see what's happening behind you and on the sides and everything, you can press this, it'll bring up all the cameras. So the cameras that I showed you at the beginning is what you see here while you're driving. So you can see here on the display, it's on red at the moment, and here are the cars next to me, and there's my Tesla. The car does pick up speed pretty quickly, and the acceleration rate is good as well. Compared to an ICE car, it is instant. As it's an automatic, you don't have to worry about changing any gears or anything like that. So it's just you and the road, and you're concentrating on the road. So the whole point of Tesla is that it's a comfort and it's an easy drive, and I have to admit it is really comfortable. Inside it's quite luxurious. It's quite an easy car to drive. It's not a difficult car to drive. It is counted as one of the safest cars on the road as well because of its so many features. If you're used to a manual car, so with a gear stick, it may take getting a bit used to. The thing about having an electric car is that you pay 0 on road tax, so you're not paying out on anything regarding a road tax. The other thing that's brilliant about it is it has no service. Obviously, with the passage of time, you have wear and tear, such as tyres, brakes, but other than that, it just doesn't have to have a service all the time. Compared to an ICE car, you've got all those mechanical things that you need to think about. So ICE cars do require services compared to an electric car. EV cars are usually expensive compared to ICE cars, but on the other hand, it's cheaper to drive. For example, an ICE car usually costs around, £30 to £50 to fill a tank, but with the EV or a Tesla Supercharge, it takes less than an hour to charge and will cost you £12 to £17. That's a 0 to a full 100% charge. If you're at a charging station waiting for your car to charge, you can watch YouTube, Netflix, or even play games in it. Roughly, you can fill the tank on £15 to £17, and that's with a supercharger, which charges your car quickly with speeds of up to 250 kilowatts. On the other hand, if you're like me and you're at home charging, like I am with Octopus Go, with their cheap rate, it's roughly cost you around about £7 for a fully charged Tesla. This is charged usually at 7 kilowatt. Obviously, it's slow as compared to a Tesla supercharger, but if you put it on charge after you've had a drive and leave it on charge, it'll be ready for you in the morning. And with Octopus Go, if you're thinking to go with Octopus Go, you can use my referral code, which is available in the description. With this code, you get £100 credit. And if you are thinking of buying a Tesla, then please do use my referral code, which is also available in the description below. With this code, you get 1,000 miles supercharge for you and me. Let's talk about the best features of this car, which are cruise control and autopilot. One click down, we're on cruise control, and it's looking at the speed, so it's at 40. It'll maintain your speed, and if you need to go up or down regarding the speed, which will go down in ones, you can go up or down from the actual steering wheel here. We're on 40 at the moment, so it's on the cruise control, and basically the car is keeping within your speed limit. You press this twice, and now the car is on autopilot. It will pilot for you, and it will make sure that you can stay in your lane and at your speed. It will maintain the speed, maintain the distance from the car in front as well. If you want to cancel it, all you got to do, you turn the steering wheel slightly, and you're back in control. So this car has got regenerative braking, so when you take your foot off the accelerator and the car slows down for you, it basically increases the miles. So the mileage on this car is 360. It is an estimated mileage because it depends how you use the car. You've got aircon, you've got heaters, so it depends how you're using the actual car to get the right mileage out of it. The mileage might go up or down according to what features you use. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you'll get all the notifications of any upcoming videos I upload. Please feel free to give your suggestions and your opinions about the car, or if you've got any other EV car and want to tell me about your experience or how it's been going, then please do comment below. So that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe and share. If I miss anything or you'd like me to cover any topics, then please comment below.